Go on, start again, go on.
My Gladys to God, R.I.P. Roro, Alexandra Palace Roro, Marcel, Ricardo.
One, Queen.
That's a good try.
Yeah.
2 bursts.
Oh, it burst, yeah. It was
burst.
good. You're going to see the video. It was very good.
Monkey climb, the more them exposed. You think we can drop down there, sir? I see it kill Mr. Thomas Post Ray. We're at Alipoli, so down there, sir. We can drop down there, no? But then, foot, knee, ankle, all age, behave. Yeah? Speed wave.
You liked it? I win. Good work, though.
You know when you have the right people.
This is a certain way.
You have to hold it up in the air. I think when he was doing it and lighting it, I swear he was holding it up.
I think that
Let me hold
better.
it up. Wait, like this.
And then it
Hold it from the top.
Right now we're in loving memories of Marcel Paulet's son, my daughter Rora, Yvette's son, all of the fallen soldier. We are gonna Lego that. What's that name again?
Lanterns.
Lanterns. And we're at the Alipoli. Crazy, show them the lovely view. Ray, what's the word? Ray. We had to pick that up like heaven and it's Alipoli. Yes.
On top of the wall. Look, Alexander
See
Palace.
Benacles, them see Benacles already.
This is where we are. Ali Palace.
It's when I expert with them come Dugu Dugu and the outside. Dugu Dugu segment right here.
That look good, man.
It's beautiful, thank you. No, this nice. It's something like a 5-star back door. Back. What? Oh, God. Nobody not talk to me. Me a bunks. So why the song change? Oh, we reach to this a song. No bunks, me the bunks. Oh, go back from bunks, man. Alexa, turn up the volume. I say I feel good on my script, so I feel Jesus Christ. Anytime the sun come up, I have to script. And then I have some white now. I gotta put them in this where blue something in? Cake soap. I got a lot of them in the cake soap. I make them stay overnight. I say, man, when the sun catch them, I'm say some scoops again. Boom, scoops. Come at me on the bunks. This make it bunks, this. You have to do. Mash, you know your friend big and excited and is a big child. Him could have never, I must buy this, you know. Mr. Last year when Mash say I go buy it, I'm not pay Mash no mind and him hard right. I Mash do it. So what the song going now? 1, 2 minutes, something like the same. Alright, fuck off, bunks. Every time I play, you do me that. Bumbleclad had me and the live will show you something. You want to show me something naughty? No. If you're going to show me something naughty, I will not accept, okay? I can't accept anything naughty. Okay, darling? You don't bring naughty things to the queen table. That's naughty. Gee, I may have a couple of G's with me, the CNB. London girl, they see in me. 5 kids only for season me. People look and believe in me. I fit it up the book now. What you think I go far? Oh, I'm like, lot of that. So I tap. Double tap. One day. Full like, oh, it's like, wow, no. No! Ah! Ah! Why? Ah! Me never says I said can't speed up. Oh, God. Crazy. Never lazy. Event. Okay. What must buy for me? Hey. Wait, this is a picture of it. Hey. This is boom, clap. Pussy for that. Full of chat, Queenie. Nah, take it back. Full of, if I me scoops. If I remember me, I always on the back of scoops, girl, me scoops. To them love. Make sure you can't angle. When it got too fast, it's scary. Fuck that. Mm-mm. If I smoke weed for morning, yes I did. I had 1.5 spliff. I have half a spliff left. I would hate to see you get hurt, but I would love to see me drop 2 times, you're late. Watch out, my leg I select it, watch out. Tati, when it finish, you can watch it then. So I have the selfie stick and put it there, yeah, and me I do it, and the phone drop, and drop. Me I stretch to take it and kin over, but I never see it. Ha. But watch out, my leg, watch out, my leg. My leg select my friend Mari. Where is Mari? Me I hide from Amari, she get too much trouble. What about class? He sang us Amari do for me. She has to correct. Watch out, how it is? Blood clot. It's all life is doing. Remember she first do listen now? Wah! Ah, y'all run down bus. Wah! Wah! Big yellow bus in Jamaica. Yeah. Everything all purpose. My bus look full. All full.
Have the money, man. Have the money.
Gosh, our car. The bus is nice.
Yes, it is. She around. Phones no 500, 105. Hold on. I'm getting a lie. I have 100 a lie. A lie. One, two, three. I may have too much money now. Oops, sorry. I'm black young now, yeah.
It's a must play on this.
Crazy.
Everybody, alright?
Yeah, foreign bus. Nah, drive. Bus. Jesus. Nah, no man. My $100 worth it. $100. See that? Like I fall the AC and murder. I'm cold, man. I'm stop it.
Wow, foreign boss.
Mr. Claire.